Good morning, affiliate marketers. This is Matty Mac again with another video. Today, if you're new to the channel, coincidentally, please go ahead and subscribe if you're interested in anything affiliate marketing. I do a lot of training on Clickbank affiliate marketing and building landing pages and websites and things for your affiliate marketing. So if that's of interest to you, please go ahead and click the subscribe button for me so you find out whenever I drop a video. I'm just going to touch on something quickly today. We're going to dive in, say we're looking for a new offer to promote. So something obviously we want to stay within our own niche, of course. So if we're going over here, we're going to search for the latest offer or something for us to promote. Now, if you do search the gravity, which is the popularity of the product as far as successful sales go, you can see the latest ones here. Research, which I believe is in the health niche, it's weight loss pills, leptox, weight loss, keto diet, weight loss, diabetes, and then the 12-minute affiliate, which is affiliate marketing, make money online. So they're the top ones, of course. Huge gravity score. This research really is surging. Huge gravity score, 615. Now, the problem with if you wanted to go ahead and promote this product, you're up against a lot of competition. And unless you have a lot of money to throw at it for advertising, it's going to be a futile effort. So I would steer clear of that one. Now, a little trick, if you are looking for something, come down to here, the date added to marketplace, and just move this along and grab a product that has only hit the market fairly recently, say in the last month or so. That way, being a fairly new product, it's just starting to gain momentum, and that's the time to jump into it when it's starting to gain a bit of traction, and you can jump on the wagon before it really starts to take off. And hopefully when you'll have all your ducks in place when it does start to take off, so that when people start searching, you're going to get a lot of organic traffic there. So I've just knocked it down to the last month, things that have been added in the last month. And if we have a look at it, so there's write-up reviews, manifestation wizard, which I think is a spiritual health, e-commerce automation, do-it-yourself dish system, not sure what that is. Green energy. Green energy is always going to be ever popular, so that's not a bad one. Let's just start at the top here. Write-up reviews. Let's have a look at their website, of course. We can check out what they do, what they're all about. And being a new product, it's quite a modern website, which is really good. Very modern, dynamic website. So it's about testing apps. Everybody's got an app, like a phone, a smartphone. So that's not a bad one to promote. Make money on the go. And of course, as I always say, check out their JV site, their affiliate, and see what sort of information they can provide you to help you sell their product. Mobile responsive, email swipes. So they're going to give you the emails to add into your autoresponder sequence. They're going to give you the banners, landing pages, images, email swipes. So the follow-up sequence they're providing for you, animated banners. Looks like you've got your choice of landing pages and a good image as well. I like this showing desktop, tablet and smartphone. Shows the product is suitable for everyone. So that's not bad. So if you were to decide, yes, this is a product for you, it's within your niche, you can justify promoting it. First thing I would do is take out my credit card and buy the product, because you're going to be in a far better position to promote if you know everything about it and you've used it. And of course, you never want to promote something that you haven't used or think is a good product. So once you do that, you've got a couple of options. How are you going to promote it? Two ways you can really promote it. Never just take your link and start spamming it around. You're never going to make any sales that way. First, you're going to need an opt-in page. So from whatever traffic source you choose, whether it's your own personal blog, whether you do paid advertising or organic Google, you need it to go through an opt-in page where you're going to give them something in return for their email address. That's going to add them to your email address, to your email list, and then you're going to promote the offer. And once they're on your list, you're going to follow up with them as per the emails that they're giving you. And at a later date, you can also upsell them to additional offers. So the money is going to be in your list long term. You always want to be building your email list. That's why you need to keep it in the same niche so you can use the same email list. There's no point in sending a weight loss offer to a make money list. They're just going to get off your list and you'll lose them forever. So a simple opt-in page, which is very quick and easy to make. Just add it to your list of, so within one funnel, I've got multiple pages all running to offers, and it's very easy just to add another one of those landing page, which is just going to offer something in exchange for their email address. I keep losing my pages here for some reason. I was going to show you something. So that's the first way to do it. Very simple funnel that way. Your other one is to build out a niche website. It takes a bit more time, this one, but longer term, I think this is a better alternative. And the reason why, once you have a WordPress site and it sits on the servers, Google are going to recognize it. They'll see what it is and they'll start sending organic traffic to it. It is going to take some time though. It's not going to happen overnight. And as you add more to that site by way of reviews and information and things like that, and you start linking to that site, then it's going to pick up organic traffic. And as a long-term prospect, eventually you won't have to touch it, do anything, and it'll gain traffic to it. So that's a better long-term strategy, I think. If it's a product that you're very passionate about, you're going to keep referring to. Now from there, of course, it's going to link straight to your opt-in page. And again, you're going to collect those email addresses and it's going to add to your email sequence, of course. So, I'm just going to show you one more thing. So the two options there, straight to an opt-in page, which is very quick and easy. When you do go through, I'm going to leave down a link below, just some training if you want to go through some free training. And I will also leave a link. You can download these opt-in pages into your own ClickFunnels account and tweak them and use them, change them however you want. So if you want all of these for yourself, it'll be in the training down below. So, and my computer again, it's very slow. It struggles in the mornings, of course. So the Clickbank Marketing Secrets group, it is a private Facebook group where I add all the tips and tricks and things like that. If you do join that, it does entitle you to these 2 free ebooks. This one is a step-by-step guide on building your own niche affiliate website. So from the very start, everything you need. It's very cheap to do. All you really need to pay for is a domain name and some hosting, and you can pick that up for less than $5 a month. So it's very, very cheap. And a little bit of work, I said, at the start, but once it gets going and snowballing, it can be very, very profitable. So that's the way I prefer to do my offers, is take the time, find a really good offer, something you're passionate about, and build your own affiliate niche website. So as I said, join the group. I'll leave a link below. So 2 links below. One is to join the group. Second one is some training if you want to learn more about it, or if you want a copy of these funnels, you can get those down there. So join up, add your information. If you do want, I'm not going to do it in this video, but of course, if you do want a landing page built or a niche website built, I can certainly do that for you. I can point you to training to do that, or if you want it done for you, I can organize that for you. So contact me via the details below, and just get started. All you need to do is get started. There's no point sort of sitting around waiting. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just get started. You can tweak it later on, go through some testing, or just get started. Get your side hustle started, and let's get promoting. If you're interested at all at affiliate marketing or entrepreneurship, be sure to click the link right below and go through to the Oz Affiliate website and join the mailing list. There's going to be heaps of bonuses and information that you can use, tools, things like that. Go ahead, jump through there, click on, and just enter your details. That'll put you on the mailing list, and you'll be given access to a whole bunch of resources for you to use and learn. When you come through, be sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel. That way you'll get information as soon as it's released. Like the Facebook page. Again, if you're a Facebook junkie, make sure you jump onto that page, and then jump into whatever avenue that you want to learn more about. If you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, this will take you through here, the 30-day challenge. In the 30 days, just 30 days, you can have an up and running online business in your own niche. Whatever you're good at, whatever you're an expert in, this is what you want to build a business around that, something that you know and are passionate about. That will show you step by step, 1 hour a day for 30 days, you'll have it up and running. If you need any references to books, your favorite entrepreneurs, go through the search there. Clickbank training, if you're a Clickbank affiliate, plenty of training available there. Some free books, there's a couple of free books. The new one, Traffic Secrets, you can get that for free just by clicking this link. There's also the .com secrets and expert secrets. Lead generation, if that's what you're after. Some more marketing secrets for Clickbank. SEO, your own website. So of course you have to learn SEO. If you want to build your own email list, things like that. If you want your own ready-made funnel, so just a funnel that you can plug your information in, give it your own spin, send traffic to and earn money, that's a ready-made funnel ready to go. All available. Building your own landing pages, things like that. All there for you. And of course the Oz Affiliate tools, exactly all the tools that I use in my business. So everything available there for you to use. All you need to do is click the link below, join the newsletter, and go exploring. Find all the information that you want. Do that now. It's worth joining.